Starting around 14 November 2023, Bitcoin money fundamentally is exchanging at $236.43 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.74% in especially most recent 60 minutes, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. BCH most certainly has a genuinely complete market cap of $4,624,165,766, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $188,461,723, or so they really thought. This basically makes Bitcoin money, BCH, in every way that really matters, positioning at 20 in the digital currency market, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money generally be somewhat worth in 2023 in a quite large manner? Is Bitcoin money a wise speculation or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023, or so they by and large thought? Will BCH cost really outperform its record-breaking high, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking? These explicitly are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future and in every practical sense, significant way. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin money conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost by and large is supposed to for the most part cross a truly normal value level of $256.30. The normal kind of least value worth of Bitcoin money toward the finish of the for the most part current year ought to in a real sense be $246.82 in a sort of significant manner. Besides, BCH can generally arrive at a really greatest value level of $265.90, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money basically is supposed to truly be at around a really least of $227.50, truly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost can generally arrive at in every way that really matters, limit of $255.94 with the exceptionally normal cost of $248.83 in United States dollars, sort of additional appearance, how assuming that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money especially be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive way? Bitcoin money value expectation December 2023. Bitcoin money cost basically is supposed to by and large reach between $246.82 to $265.90 in December 2023, while the truly normal cost of BCH for the December for the most part remains around $256.30. Bitcoin money truly passed value examination in the in every practical sense recent hours. The crypto truly has been somewhat diminished by 0.52% in its kind of current worth. Assuming we generally think about the extremely current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap really is likewise down, or so they basically thought. Bitcoin money basically is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, or so they especially thought. The BCH generally is down to nearly 4.05% in the very most recent 7 days, exhibiting how Bitcoin money in a real sense is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins, which truly is very critical. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for essentially past not very many days. The coin could for the most part have areas of strength for certainly in any case, we don't in a real sense feel that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, or so they truly thought. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the truly current cost and truly beyond 30 days cost history, it generally is seen that Bitcoin money truly has expanded 43.056% in its worth, which truly is genuinely critical. The typical kind of least cost for the month explicitly is $130.31, while pretty greatest normal value sort of was $134.63 in an unpretentious manner. This infers that this coin sort of is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for essentially long haul, which sort of is very critical. The 90 days cost change in every way that really matters is around 44.25%, and the cost in a real sense circled from a truly least typical cost of $125.38 to by and large greatest by and large normal cost of $134.83 in the beyond 90 days. So for the most part, is Bitcoin money a very wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is genuinely critical. In for the most part most recent 4 months, Bitcoin money in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, so BCH truly has a very all-out market cap of $4,624,165,766 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $188,461,723, which sort of is genuinely huge. Accordingly, we certainly feel that comparative pieces of the market most certainly were very famous at that period, most certainly further appearance how the very normal truly least cost for the month especially is $130.31, while truly greatest most certainly normal cost generally was $134.63, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin money by and large is expanded from 4 months, showing how this essentially makes Bitcoin money, BCH, by and large positioning at 20 in the digital currency market, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost, which really shows that in by and large most recent 4 months, Bitcoin money explicitly has shown a developing pattern, so BCH essentially has an extremely all-out market cap of $4,624,165,766 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $188,461,723 in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin truly is up by 57.05% with the very greatest exceptionally normal cost of the coin, in a real sense was around $103.49, and the especially least lovely typical cost of really was around $100.92 in extremely beyond 4 months, in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin money value figure 2023 facts. What will for the most part be Bitcoin money in every way that really matters, worth in 2023 in a genuinely enormous way? The BCH cost explicitly is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $265.90 with pretty least cost of $246.82 toward the finish of 2023, which sort of shows that the exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, which certainly shows that in genuinely most recent 4 months, Bitcoin money certainly has shown a developing pattern. So BCH by and large has a sort of all-out market cap of $4,624,165,766 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $188,461,723, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Does Bitcoin money basically have a future? As far as value, Bitcoin money really has a remarkable especially potential to arrive at new levels, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking most certainly. It in every practical sense is figure that BCH will increment in esteem, which shows that